Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood, right here on Zoom. My name is Manish, and I'm bringing you all the latest news, views, and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media right here from the safety of my home. Now, while some of you have gone back to work as the lockdown lifts, a lot of you are still at home, working from home, trying to stay safe and keep your loved ones safe. Now, while we are slowly moving back towards our pre-lockdown lifestyle, let's find out what our Bollywood celebrities are up to. Check it out.
अपनी अपकमिंग फिल्म अपराजिता अयोध्या के साथ कंगना बनने जा रही है फुल फ्लेज्ड डायरेक्टर। फिल्म मेकर शुजीत सरकार ने बिग बी को कैसे किया ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू मिर्जा फॉर गुलाबो सिताबो। तापसी पन्नू के किस पोस्ट ने किया ऋतिक रोशन को स्माइल करने पर मजबूर। एक्टर कुणाल खेमू ने रिवील किया डॉटर इनाया और तैमूर के कॉन्वर्सेशन टॉपिक्स।
Well guys, Kangana Ranaut is all set to don the director's hat one more time after co-directing the film Manikarnika last year. Now the film that she is set to direct is the ambitious film Aparajita Ayodhya. Earlier, Kangana was supposed to come on just as a producer and the film was supposed to be directed by someone else. But because Kangana has been involved with the scripting and the treatment of the film since day one, everyone felt that maybe it's best that Kangana does direct this film. Well, congratulations, Kangana. We're hoping that this one is a huge success and it's going to hit the ball out of the park.
Whether it's designing her sister's home, directing a film, or spending 48 crores on a brand new office for her production house, there is very little that Kangana cannot do. The talented actor who won many hearts with her performance in films like Panga and Manikarnika turned director for the first time last year with Manikarnika when she stepped in when the director was unavailable to reshoot some parts of the film. After the success of Manikarnika, it looks like Kangana अब बहुत जल्द फिर डायरेक्टर की कुर्सी में दिखाई देंगी with the ambitious project Aparajita Ayodhya, written by K.V. Vijendra Prasad, who had scripted the Bahubali series and Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi. सुनने में आया है that the film is based on the famous Ram Mandir case in Ayodhya, and Kangana shared more details in a recent interview. Speaking about the film, the Panga star said, "The plan wasn't for me to direct the film. I started it as a project that I worked on from the concept level. However, the script that K.V. Vijendra Prasad shared was that of a film set on a large canvas, somewhat on the lines of the historical that I have directed before. My collaborating partners were also keen that I direct it. Eventually, even I felt that maybe it's best if I helmed this film." The movie will also be produced by Kangana's new production house, whose stunning new office space the actor shared recently on social media. While she was co-director on Manikarnika, this will be Kangana's first project as an independent director. But quite expectedly, the fearless star is far from nervous about the prospects. Talking about this bold step, Kangana said, "It does not make me nervous. It's tougher when you have to carry forward someone else's vision and find your own vision somewhere in it. In this case, I have worked on this film from scratch, and it's gratifying and simple once you have the clarity of thought." She also clarified that she will not be starring in the film as she wants to be focused entirely as a filmmaker and do justice to the story, which she shared in A Tale of Love, Faith and Unity, and above everything, it's a story of divinity. All the best, Kangana, and we hope कि आपका ये नया adventure बहुत successful होगा.
Holeke papaya uma.
Five show me the bottle.
Putike lakate tutute papapa.
Pop samat kalom me the hat.
Midu hate laka sumama hayana popo.
No pop the hat. Son is
During this lockdown, adults have been using technology to either work from home, stay in touch with their friends, their family, catch up on the latest news and information, and do everything that they possibly can using technology. But let's not forget, the kids are not too far behind. Kids too are taking online classes, they're keeping up with schoolwork, they're watching fun shows, and in the case of Taimur Ali Khan, he's keeping in touch with his favorite cousin, Inaya. Now recently, Inaya's dad Kunal Khemu revealed that the two kids, Taimur and Inaya, get into really long conversations in baby lingo on video chat and really enjoy spending time with each other that way. Well, that is pretty much the sweetest thing I've heard all day, and here's hoping that the two kids manage to hang out very soon.
Taimur and Inaya were inseparable before the lockdown and were frequently photographed by the paparazzi heading to each other's homes on playdates or with their parents on holidays and meals together. Lekin lockdown ke chalte, the two little cousins have not been able to meet each other or spend time together, and looks like they are missing each other terribly. But thanks to technology, the two are able to catch up and see each other on video calls. And according to Inaya's dad, actor Kunal Khemu, the two tots love seeing each other virtually and have long conversations in toddler speak. During an interview recently, Kunal, who was last seen in Malang, spoke about how the kids have stayed connected during the extended lockdown. Kunal said, technology has helped them stay in touch with each other. They love chatting over video calls. The conversations are mostly gibberish and a little about what they are doing at home. Looks like Kareena and Saif are making an effort to keep Taimur connected with his cousins while they stay at home during the lockdown. And both Soha and Kareena frequently share photographs of Inaya and Taimur and how they are spending time at home during the lockdown. And if all goes well, the two little toddlers, Taimur and Inaya, will be playing together really soon.
When Hrithik Roshan debuted 20 years ago in his first film, he had an entire generation of young girls singing away Kaho Na Pyar Hai. They all gushed and blushed about how good looking he was, how well he acted, how well he danced, and how he had a physique to match every perfection that he embodied. Now, amongst many of his female fans is our very own Bollywood's Taapsee Pannu. Now, Taapsee's been in lockdown with her sister and sister-in-law, and recently they decided to sit down and watch their favorite film Kaho Na Pyar Hai and gushed away about how good-looking Hrithik is. लेकिन इस बार उन्हें अपने प्यार का इजहार तो मिला ऋतिक से directly. Check out the story.
It's hard to believe sometimes that Hrithik Roshan made his on-screen debut 20 years ago. Kaho Na Pyar Hai, Hrithik's debut film, became a huge success, and with his good looks and fabulous dancing skills, Hrithik became a national heartthrob almost overnight. Amongst the millions of girls who lost their hearts to the light-eyed Greek god were our very own Taapsee Pannu and her sister, who seemed to have indulged in a Hrithik Roshan movie binge while spending the lockdown together at home. Taapsee, who has gone on record to share her dream of working with Hrithik someday, posted a video on her social media stories where she and her sister Shagun can be seen watching Kaho Na Pyar Hai together. Taapsee can be heard saying in the video, "Because we are such big fans of Hrithik Roshan." She even captioned the video, "This house can't get enough of Hrithik Roshan, so we start from the beginning." लेकिन उनके प्यार का इजहार नहीं गया बेकार क्योंकि minutes later her 2-decade-long crush responded with a sweet message himself. Hrithik shared Taapsee's post and wrote, "Now that's a compliment, made me smile." And in a gesture that would make many girls envious, he added a kiss emoticon to his message. Looks like this will be the highlight of the lockdown for Taapsee, who has said in the past that she doesn't want a selfie with Hrithik, she wants a movie with him. तापसी, आपकी तपस्या शायद कामयाब हो जाए और आपके इतने सालों का एडमिरेशन शायद नए साल में ऋतिक के साथ एक नई फिल्म ले आए।
Now guys, Amitabh Bachchan is probably one of the biggest stars this country has ever seen, and let's not forget he is 77 years old, but that still doesn't stop him from being motivated, determined, committed and passionate about every character that he plays. Now, some time ago, Amitabh Bachchan had gotten to prosthetics for the film Pa, and he's done it again for the film Gulabo Sitabo. Recently, the makers of the film released behind-the-scenes footage of how Amitabh Bachchan transformed himself using prosthetics into the character, and it was a complete and total transformation. Man, it is just amazing as to how committed and how patient Amit Ji is, and how he will go to any lengths and extent to get into the skin of his character. Check it out.
After successfully collaborating with both Amit Ji and Ayushmann Khurrana in Piku and Vicky Donor respectively, Shoojit Sarkar is all set to create magic by bringing together both his favorite stars in one film. The unusually titled Gulabo Sitabo, which tells the story of a quarreling tenant and landlord in Lucknow. While everyone was waiting to see Mr. Bachchan and Ayushmann dazzle us with their performances on the big screen, with the pandemic continuing and the lockdown getting extended multiple times, the producers of the film decided to release the film on an OTT platform in the hope of recovering costs and reducing their losses. Unlike earlier, जहां रिलीज के पहले actors used to do the rounds of multiple TV and radio stations and attend public events to promote their film, इस बार फिल्म के promotions भी सारे online हो रहे हैं, with the stars giving interviews to journalists on video calls, and the making of the film's characters has also been shared online to generate interest in the film. One of these promotional videos shows the transformation of Amitabh Bachchan into the old landlord Mirza. The director Shoojit Sarkar and producer Ronnie Lahiri talk about how their intention was to present Mr. Bachchan in such a way that no one would realize immediately that it was the legendary actor. To bring their vision to life, Amit Ji used to spend 2 to 3 hours putting on prosthetics on his face, donning a prosthetic nose and a long beard that made him virtually unrecognizable. शुजीत और रॉनी वीडियो में बातें कर रहे हैं कि किस तरह बच्चन साहब 12 घंटे प्रोस्थेटिक्स में रहते थे, but with no complaints, and he brought Mirza to life with his dedication and sincerity. In a recent interview, Ayushmann also shared that Amit Ji not only knew his own lines, but he also knew Ayushmann's dialogues and what was happening in each scene. He was always thinking about the film as a whole instead of only his character. और यही उनका बड़प्पन भी है और सिनेमा के लिए उनका पैशन भी. Truly an actor and a star like him will only be seen once in our lifetimes, and we can't wait to see this quirky, unusual film at home very soon.
Well, guys, it's just been over a month since the passing of Irfan Khan. Now, while a lot of his fans definitely miss him, a lot of his co-workers have remembered him extremely fondly and also think of how immensely talented an actor he was. Now, recently, Radhika Madan, the young actress who worked with him on Angrezi Medium, where she played the daughter to Irfan's character, who was her father, recently posted a picture of the two of them from the sets of the film. Now, while the film just had its television premiere after releasing on an OTT platform, Radhika's caption under this photograph just speaks volumes as to how much she actually misses the actor. Here's the story.
It's been over a month now, but Irfan Khan के जाने का गम आज भी ताजा है. The immensely talented actor succumbed to a rare cancer at just 53 and left behind a fabulous body of work and a grieving movie business. After Irfan's wife and son shared emotional posts recently after the rains set in and remembered his special connection to the monsoons, his young co-star Radhika Madan has shared a picture from Irfan's last film, Angrezi Medium, where she played his daughter, Tarika. इरफान के कैंसर डायग्नोसिस की वजह से अंग्रेजी मीडियम की फिल्मिंग काफी डिले हो गई थी, but the actor made sure to finish the film before his health deteriorated. पर लॉकडाउन की वजह से इस फिल्म के रिलीज के कुछ ही दिन बाद इस फिल्म को ऑनलाइन रिलीज किया गया, लेकिन इरफान की ये आखिरी फिल्म हमेशा स्पेशल रहेगी. अंग्रेजी मीडियम was recently telecast on a television channel for the first time और शायद इस मौके पे इरफान को बहुत मिस किया राधिका ने. She shared a warm picture from the film where she is hugging Irfan and he, playing the doting dad, plants a kiss on her head. Radhika captioned the picture, "Teri ladki main," which is a line from the song Teri Ladki Main, picturized on Kareena in a special video for the movie. Radhika has also shared in the past just how lucky she felt having had the opportunity to work with Irfan and learn from him. When he passed away, she had shared a heartfelt post on her social media page where she said, "I am really grateful that our paths crossed in this lifetime. He is and will always be an inspiration to me and many, a legend, the man who changed the wave of the Indian film industry." We miss him too, Radhika, and हम यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप अपने काम से उनका नाम रोशन करेंगी.
One of Bollywood's youngest sensations, Janhvi Kapoor, who just recently emerged from quarantine after her domestic health tested positive for COVID-19, posted an extremely stunning picture of herself on her social media page. But that's not what really caught her attention. What actually caught her attention was the banter that she had with her BFF, Tanisha Santoshi. Now, Tanisha was trying to troll Janhvi for fun, but instead, Janhvi started trending online. Now, we'll tell you what the entire story was and what exactly was it that Tanisha was trying to say and why Janhvi wants to have a kid. Now, this is getting really interesting. Let's find out.
Janhvi Kapoor, who is just one film old and has a huge following on social media, is waiting for films like Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, and Ruhi Afza to release in theatres or on an OTT platform, as some rumors have suggested. But while she waits for her films to release or start filming again, she has spent the lockdown with her father Boney Kapoor and sister Khushi, and the three of them recently emerged from a quarantine after their house help tested positive for coronavirus. After lots of pictures and funny videos with her sister and sharing snaps of her parents together on what used to be their anniversary, Janhvi posted a stunning picture of herself on her social media page, with the caption, "Here's looking at you, kid." Not surprisingly, Janhvi's fans were absolutely delighted to see this post, and the star was flooded with comments and compliments from her friends and fans. But the comment that caught our eye was an exchange between Janhvi and her best friend Tanisha Santoshi. Tanisha, जो अपने BFF का मजाक उड़ाना चाहती थी, dropped a comment which said, "Whose kid? You wanna have a kid?" To which Janhvi promptly replied by saying, "Yes." बस जानवी के इस रिस्पॉन्स ने उन्हें सीधे ट्रेंड्स लिस्ट के टॉप पोजीशन पर पहुंचा दिया and had all of us wondering whether she was just kidding or she actually has plans of becoming a mom sometime in the future. Interesting बात यह है that she actually played a mother in her first film Dhadak, something not too many young actors would be comfortable doing. लेकिन लगता है जानवी was just trolling her friend for her funny comment, क्योंकि with so many films in the pipeline and a promising career ahead of her, वो इतनी जल्दी मैरिज और मदरहुड को शायद नहीं चूज करेंगी.
चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back. Star Kid besties Ananya Pandey and Suhana Khan have been seen shopping, partying, chilling, hanging, eating together, doing so many things together just before the lockdown. But now that the two of them are in lockdown with their families, they are still setting BFF goals. Recently, Ananya Pandey posted a picture of herself on her social media where she looked radiant and beautiful with the sun in her face. And on that, Suhana Khan could not stop gushing and commented about how beautiful her BFF looked. Here's the story.
Suhana Khan and Ananya Pandey are the best of friends, with Sanjay Kapoor's daughter Shanaya forming the third musketeer in this girl gang. This Star Kid gang has been very close for several years now, and over the years the paparazzi have also started following them, clicking them, enjoying lunch dates, parties and holidays together. Even more recently, whenever Suhana returns from university abroad, the girl gang makes sure to catch up and are frequently seen spending happy occasions like Diwali or New Year's Eve together at exotic locations or Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow in Alibag. लेकिन लॉकडाउन के चलते Suhana and Ananya have been at home with their respective families, and though they are in the same city, they haven't been able to hang out like they usually do. But while they are maintaining social distancing, social media पे दोनों एक दूसरे से connect हो ही रहे हैं. Recently, Suhana helped Ananya edit her pictures into a video using the skills that she is learning at film school. And when Shah Rukh Khan's daughter turned 20 recently, Ananya wished her fellow Star Kid with a picture from one of their outings to Suhana's Alibag bungalow and captioned it, "The two things I miss the most, the great outdoors and Suhana. Happy 20th birthday, Sue, but you will be my little baby forever." So जब Ananya posted a series of beautiful sun-kissed selfies in a throwback post, Suhana complimented her glowing pictures with a sweet comment that read, "Hot, hot, hot." And Ananya's fans agreed with Suhana's comment. The sunlight does make Ananya look prettier than ever, but seeing both of you bonding and be so supportive of each other is even more beautiful. While no one knows if Suhana has acting ambitions and if the two besties will become colleagues in the future, for now, they are enjoying in the glow of their friendship.
Well guys, with that we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. My name is Manish and I'm signing off, but before I go, I do want to remind you guys to stay home, stay safe, and I also want to remind you guys that we will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, ciao.